Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on changing the locking system of your Thermomix TM6. Today, we'll walk you through each step carefully to ensure you can perform this task with confidence. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some cleaning cloths. Having a clean workspace will help you keep track of all the small parts involved in this process. To begin, unplug your Thermomix TM6 and ensure it's completely powered off. Safety is our top priority. Once it's unplugged, place the device on a stable, flat surface to work on. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws located at the base of the TM6. Set these screws aside in a small container to prevent losing them. If you're unfamiliar with this process or find it challenging, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Now, carefully lift the lid and remove the bowl. You may notice some internal components that need cleaning. Use your cleaning cloths to wipe down any dust or residue. It's important to maintain cleanliness as you work inside the device. With the lid removed, focus on the locking system. You'll see the locking mechanism attached to the lid. Gently unscrew the screws securing the locking system in place. Keep these screws organized as well, as you will need them for reassembly later. As you detach the locking mechanism, inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you find any issues, that could explain why your locking system isn't functioning correctly. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the repair, keep in mind we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, which can save you time and effort. Once you've removed the defective locking system, take your new locking system and align it with the holes where the screws were previously located. Insert the screws and tighten them gently using your Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic components. After securing the new locking system, it's crucial to perform a thorough internal cleaning. Use your tweezers to reach any tight spots and remove debris that may have accumulated. A clean machine is essential for optimal performance. Now, reattach the lid and ensure it fits snugly. Replace the 4 screws at the base to secure everything back into place. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, remember, you can always call on us for assistance. We can provide a quote before repair, making the process clear and straightforward. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM6 back in and perform a quick test to ensure the new locking system is functioning correctly. This step is critical to confirm that your repair was successful. If everything is in order, you're all set to continue enjoying your Thermomix. In summary, changing the locking system on your Thermomix TM6 involves gathering the right tools, carefully removing the old mechanism, and properly installing the new one. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services, ensuring you get the best care for your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.